So that first waterfall that we just saw is the main waterfall in les chutes du Carbet. We can't get to it presently at this time because the trails are blocked off because of mudslides. It would have been a 3.5-hour hike, which would have been a nice fall to go see. So we're going to see the second one, which is half an hour there, half an hour back. We'll see how that one is.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs.
Hey, good news guys. If you can actually see this clip and hear it, you're watching it from the GoPro that, remember, dropped in the water. And it's attached to the gimbal. It seems to be working fine. I'll see when I watch the video, but we saved it with a bag of rice.
And I don't need more money or faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home. And I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I used to be, and on my face I feel you breathe. Next to me, to by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I used to be, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me.
We want to spend €8 each. We are at La Maison du Cacao in Pointe-Noire in Guadeloupe, and it's my first time actually learning about the cocoa plant. I guess that's what we call it. That's what we see here behind, the nuts. I guess this, I don't know what variety this is, but there are many varieties.
And that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, if they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. If they don't love us,
And always seems to find animals eager to have
let's
her
find
love.
our own brand of freedom.
Blue-eyed white cat here.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore, anymore.
This is the parking au bain jaune to go up la Soufrière. It's completely full.
La Soufrière.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always...
In case you didn't know, we're in Guadeloupe right now. We were in the Rockies in June or July, and now we're November 24th or 3rd, and I haven't done much exercise, and it shows. And this is what we have to go up. We're at La Soufrière. It's a volcano, and we've already gone up for 30 minutes now, and I'm exhausted. But I guess that's my fault. I didn't keep to the exercise. So maybe after this trip I'll keep exercising so that the next trip I'm not this winded or tired.
We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
It's actually the second time we attempt to do this hike because the first time was raining like crazy. So we came here from November 14th to 26th, and 8 days out of 10 we got rain. But today, day 9, is rainless. So we're hiking.
One particularity of this hike is the smell. It smells like rotten eggs, so for sure we're climbing a volcano.
We lost 2 people of our family to hike La Soufrière. Shannon wasn't feeling well, so John stayed behind with her. We've reached pretty much the level of the clouds now.
Always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. We're like the waves on a big blue storm.
So the last part of La Soufrière is basically a vertical climb.
It's not raining.
Let's hope it doesn't hurt. As you go up La Soufrière, if you think it's going to get easier, nah, it gets harder. This is actually the trail now to go up. Wow. It's practically rock climbing. I feel like a mountain goat.
Up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
So one of the good things of Guadeloupe, one of the many good things, is their choice of pastries. This is going to be my lunch today.